Hello.
Hello guys, my name is Javeer.
My name is Himanshi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 12. And if you haven't subscribed, what we should do, please say what we should do.
We will read chapter 12 vocabulary.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Okay. Now, before we get to the sentence pattern, Himanshi is going to read the lesson 12 vocabularies half. Okay. The side.
Easy, kantan, near, chikai, far, toi, fast, early, hayai, slow, late, or sorry, many people or much, oi, few, sukunai, warm, atatakai, cool, suzushi, sweet, amai, hot, karai, heavy, omoi, light, karui, prefer, coffee, kohi, ga, seasons, kisetsu, spring, haru, summer, natsu, autumn, aki, winter, fuyu, weather, tenki, rainy, ame, snowy, yuki, cloudy, kumori, hotel, hotelu, airport, koko, sea, umi, world, sekai.
Okay, Himanshi. Now, here is Jebi to read the second page of the vocabulary. Here you go.
Party, 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 festival, matsuri, examination, second, sukiyaki, sukiyaki, sashimi, 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 sushi, sushi. It's a vinaigrette rice topped with raw fish. ये बहुत फेमस है जापान में. सुशी एक राइस है, उतना तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. टेम्पुरा, तेनपुरा ये एक सी फूड है जो जापान में खाते हैं. फ्लावर अरेंजमेंट, इकेबाना, इकेबाना. मैपल, मोमीजी, मोमीजी. विद्वान, दोचीरा, दोचीरा. बोथ, दोचीरा मो. बस इसमें क्या करना है, बोथ जाएगा तो मो लगाना है. बाय फार, जुतो. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, हाजीमेते. Yes.
Okay, great job. Now they have all read the vocabularies of chapter 12. Now I'm gonna begin to teach you the sentence pattern, meaning the grammar note for the chapter 12. Okay, so let us get started and let me say you which are na adjectives. In this chapter we have only just one na adjective, that is easy and simple, which is kantan, and it is a na adjective, so kantan na. And the e adjectives here is chikai, toi, hayai, osoi, oi, sukunai, atatakai, suzushi, amai, kadai, omoi, karui, means from near to from near to light. These are all e adjectives, and there is only one na adjective, which is at the top, the starting of the chapter 12, the first vocab, which is easy. Okay, now here we come. So here our first pattern is like how to change. You will learn how to change the past tense of noun sentences or na adjective sentences or na adjective symbol. The past and present of na adjective. Okay, we will learn this first. This is the first point. Okay, now if we are talking about positive, for example, let's have a simple example like this is in the present, present. This side will be for present and this side will be for past. Clear? This side will be for present, this side will be the past. Here we come for na adjective when we are talking about positive. So if the sentence is in present, for example, like army, it is a na adjective. So army and simple des when we are talking about present, and when we are talking about past, so army deshita. When we are talking about past, instead of using des, we will use deshita only in the case for na adjectives. Okay, clear? Sorry, and the rule for nouns would be same. Army is our noun. It is not a na adjective. It is a noun. So army des, army deshita. Now for na adjective, let me write. This is the noun. Now for na adjective, how would it be in present? For example, let's have an example like Shizuka. Shizuka. For present, Shizuka des. Simple. And if you're talking in past, it's Shizuka deshita. Clear? So this is how to change in present and past for positive words of noun and na adjective. Clear? Now let us move to e adjectives first. Okay, before moving on that, let us have an example like yesterday's exam was not easy. Now, only in this chapter, the first vocab of chapter 12, which was easy, which is kantan, and this is which adjective, e or na? It is a na adjective, right? So, not easy means this sentence is in negative. Okay, so this sentence is in negative, but we haven't studied how to change it in negative first. So we will learn this. We will learn that first. Okay, for negative, for nouns and for nouns and na adjective in negative case. For example, let us have Ami and Shizuka only. You will just add ja arimasen in present instead of putting this. For example, Ami ja arimasen means it's not raining. And in the past, you would say Ami ja arimasen deshita. Ja arimasen deshita. Clear? This is like, and even for Shizuka, it is a na adjective. So simple, it would be Shizuka ja arimasen and Shizuka ja arimasen deshita. Okay, this is for present when you're talking about negative, but your sentence is in present. When you're talking about negative, but your sentence was in past. Cleared? Now you can change this word right here, which is here. Yesterday's exam was not easy. Exam, the vocab for exam is shikin, which we learned in this chapter only. So yesterday's means kal ka. So no shikin. Then exam is your topic. No shikin wa not easy. Here we came to know for negative. So, Ami ja arimasen. Now here is easy. So, kantan ja arimasen deshita. Deshita is added because we are talking about yesterday. It is in our past. Wa kantan ja arimasen deshita. Kino no shikin wa kantan ja arimasen deshita means yesterday's exam was not easy. Okay, So this is the rule for noun and adjective in positive and negative, for present and for past. You can have a look. This will be very much beneficial in your future when we will be doing more chapters. This will be used a lot, so please note it down. Okay, now same, we will do present on your left hand side and the past on right hand side. But now we're gonna do how to change adjectives. We have already learned noun and adjectives. Now we are going to learn adjectives, right? Past and present of adjectives. This is adjectives. Okay, let us have a word in adjective. We should have like atsui. Atsui for positive, negative, present and past. Clear? This will be for positive, this would be for negative. Positive is atsui des. Atsui des means it is hot. Des is used when we are talking about present or future. Means this means it's hot. Sorry, it's hot. And when you're talking about past, that it was hot, so atsukata des. I'll explain it. Atsukata des. Now here the question comes. The word is atsui, but we haven't used here before kata. And why have we used kata here? It is a rule when you're changing adjectives to past, you will remove your and even when you're changing to negative, will be removed and kunai will be added. Means in adjective, the last will be removed. So here, atsu kata des. Kata will always be used when we are talking about past for adjective. So is removed, atsu kata des. Means it's hot, it was hot. Cleared? Now here with same for negative, like it is not hot. So atsu kunai des. When you're talking about not, or when you're talking about negative in present, so will be removed from adjectives and kunai will be added. Okay, now here comes, as we learned for adjectives, like for adjectives we have learned kata will be used in past but not in present. So here we have like atsu. Now we are this sentence, the word is in negative. Here we are talking about negative, of course. So atsuku na. And one thing we learned before